Your body is your buddy. Your body works tirelessly to keep you safe, to keep you healthy, to protect you from all the negative viruses, bacteria and fungi in your environment, to clean out the toxins that you inadvertently inhale or drink or eat, to digest your food and send out the trash. Your body doesn't take a holiday, working 24/7 every day of your life, every moment of your life. A loyal, faithful, devoted friend. Your body is the one constant in your life. Your body is with you always, from the moment of your conception until the second of your last breath. Who else is as loyal, as faithful, as certain as this precious pillar of flesh? Your body isn't just a meat taxi. It's your interface with the outside world. Do you really understand how much of the life you experience is due to your body? Like all of it. Did you realize that every sense you have is embedded in your flesh, not in your brain? If you close your eyes and you can't see anything, no sunshine, no flowers, no computer screen, no mobile phone, no lover, no children, what would you miss if you didn't have any eyes? Now close your ears, no birdsong, no music, no conversation. How would life be if you didn't have any ears? And then think about your hands. How would life be if you didn't have any hands? You couldn't pick things up, you couldn't touch your loved ones or a friend, you couldn't carry shopping or drive a car. The truth is, every life experience you have is manifested through your body. If you didn't have a body, you would be only consciousness floating in the silent darkness. So it's obvious that your body is your buddy. But is it just a one-way relationship? Are you your body's buddy? Do you love and cherish your body? Do you value and appreciate all the ways it works to bring you this experience of life? All the physical pleasure, all the emotions you feel, every possible kind of sensation, inside and out. The rumble of hunger and the warmth of the sun on your skin. Yes, maybe you eat well. Yes, maybe you exercise from time to time, but do you love your body? Do you appreciate your body? Do you even notice your body? Do you put your body first or even in your top 5? Because for sure, if your body stops working, that's when you'll notice just how much your life and the quality of your life depends on it. Sadly, most of us leave our body to last. It's just something that takes our precious brain to meetings. When you think about all the things that your body does for you, maybe it's time to think about what you can do for your body. If you're ready to reconnect with your body and gain access to the deep wisdom and treasures contained within, join our next embodied workshop. Click the link below.